Credit Suisse, UBS nicely positioned no matter diverging profits. SNB Zurich. The Swiss National Bank (SNB) said on Thursday that even as profitability and marketplace evaluation for Switzerland's massive banks Credit Suisse and UBS have diverged, they're well placed to stand the extra tough contemporary environment way to step forward capital. The capital position of both banks has advanced further, the primary financial institution said in its 2022 economic stability file. In the case of Credit Suisse, the stepped-forward capital function is on account of a capital boom and a discount in publicity, whilst at UBS it's far due to retained profits. Credit Suisse is reeling from billions in losses racked up in 2021 through failed investments, plus the impact of multiple criminal instances. Earlier this month, it flagged another in all likelihood loss for the second zone, as it signaled diminished capital expectancies. Over the beyond 4 quarters, UBS has recorded a strong growth in profits and its go-back on property (ROA) has been many of the highest it has carried out within the beyond 2 a long time. By assessment, Credit Suisse's ROA has been terrible, the SNB cited in its document. Differences were also visible in the stock fees of the two banks and other market-based signs together with credit score default switch (CDS) premia, wherein the market continues to have a extra superb assessment of UBS than Credit Suisse. Nevertheless, bulked-up capital buffers placed each banks on an awesome footing to stand the hard financial and monetary situations which have evolved in view that end 2021. Thanks to those capital buffers, the two globally energetic Swiss banks are nicely placed to cope with the dangers stemming from the conflict in Ukraine, the SNB stated, noting direct effect have to be restrained given comparatively low publicity to Russia and Ukraine. Credit Suisse last 12 months raised around 1.75 billion Swiss francs $1.76 billion from investors through mandatory convertible notes. $1 equals 0.9952 Swiss francs.